For an in-order tree traversal, we use recursion to visit every single node in the tree in a specific order. How it works is we first visit the entire left subtree, and then we go back and visit the root, and then we visit the entire right subtree. So which is why it's in order. So we go left, and then we go root, and then we go right. So in this situation, we will start at the root node, which is A. Now we want to visit A's entire left subtree. So we start at H, and now we have this subtree. Now we want to visit H's entire left subtree. We get to G, which has no children, so we'll visit that node as it's the root of a subtree, technically the root of a subtree with no children. So we'll visit G. And then we want to go back and visit the root of that tree, which was H. Now we want to visit H's entire right subtree, which we get to I. Now we're in another subtree, so for this subtree, we want to first visit the entire left subtree. So we'll visit F. F has no children, we visit F. Then we will go back to the root of this subtree, which is I, so we will then visit I. Once we have visited I, we will visit the entire right subtree. We have one node, which is E, which is a leaf node, so we will visit that node. So we visited this entire subtree, we visited this entire subtree, we are back at the root. Now, we visited the root's entire left subtree, so now we will visit the root. Now that the root has been visited, what's the next step? Well, we will visit the root's entire right subtree. So we get to this node B. Now this quote-unquote subtree at node B has no left child, so we will not visit the left child since there is no left child, and we will go back and visit the root. The root is B, so we will visit node B. Now we will visit the entire right subtree, so we get to C. Now C has a subtree with the left child, so we don't visit C yet because we first have to visit the entire left subtree before we can visit the root. So we'll visit the left subtree. Now we visit D. Now that D is visited, we go back and visit the root, which is C. And then we can visit the entire right subtree. C does not have any right children, therefore we visit C and we don't visit anyone on the right side, and we have visited all nodes, therefore the traversal is complete. So this is a sample in-order traversal of this tree.